Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound and vibration section and select phone ringtone. Here you can see the whole list of the available phone ringtones. You can also add your own ringtone here by selecting any audio file from your phone's memory, but I have no audio file, so I'm just gonna select one of the pre-installed ones, and of course I'm gonna select my all-time favorite ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.